video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Grok AI, right? So I come to the realization that Grok AI actually has two different platforms, right? So this is the first one that we're looking at, and we're basically looking at this one because I'll probably have some work done in this, right? Due to personal use, of course. So once it is that you get onto Grok AI, you'll actually sign in with your email and it will bring you to this page. So just like any other AI platform, right, there is the home page where you go ahead to tell Grok AI what it is that you want for it to do for you, right? And of course, at the top here, you can actually see if it is that you're going to create an image, you can actually just click it and then you go ahead to make your prompt, right? So we're going to go ahead on this side. Wait, before we go over there, right? You can actually see here the different formats that you can actually use to get your response from Grok. You still have the option where you can actually go ahead to say your instead of typing your prompt, say your prompt, right? And of course, then it will be here. You can make your adjustments, or you can just talk directly to Grok AI. Over on this side, we have search. And normally, once you click on search, it will actually show your previous chats. But considering that we just signed in, we don't have any. We have new chat, which is this, and we have the image option, right? So when it is that you're creating your image, you can actually make reference to these image, or you can just go ahead to do it on your own. And of course, you also have the option where you can go ahead to create your image into a video. So I'm seeing here that the video lasts for, let's say, 6 seconds. That ain't bad. And you also have the option to change the different ratio of the video or the image. That's pretty cool. Right. And we can see the resolution here that they have. So basically, these are the resolution. I'm not seeing an option where we can actually change the resolution. But in terms of the video, it runs from 6 to 10 seconds, right? And of course, you can definitely see where they're saying, hey, you can get $67 off. So this is, guessing that this is Super Grok AI, right? So here it is. And we have the skill connectors. So this is the section where I'm saying that I'll probably be here for quite some time, right? So this is where you can actually do your Word docs, your PDFs, right? Your skill creator, your presentation, and of course your spreadsheet. So I had a presentation to do for someone sometime last week, right? And I was doing it in Chat GPT and then of course by the help of Canva. So I'm definitely going to go ahead to redo that presentation just for um, practice to see how well it is actually done in Grok. So basically, this is it, right? And as regards to your project, it's the same as search. If it is that you had done anything previously, you'd actually see it here, but we haven't. So this is how it's looking, right? As regards to the cost of this, I don't know yet. I really don't know yet. So let's click on connectors. So with connectors, right, you can connect your Google, you can connect your Canva, you can this part is cool. ChatGPT also has this as well and other AI tools. So yeah, and let's click here. So if you click on the Grok icon, right, it will just bring you directly back to new chat. And of course, we have the option here that says private. So this part is a bit different. I've never seen this option on other AI tools. So uh, yeah. So guys, basically this is how Grok is looking, right? And there is also another Grok, right? That the display is totally different. We're definitely going to do a walkthrough in that before we start using these tools. But I do hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.